my name is Sofia Damia.
Hi, my name is Anit Ruzahira.
Hi, my name is Alisha Elena.
Hi, my name is Amna Antasha.
I am Atika Shazani.
And we are Form 4 students from Iskandar Science School. But first,
Let us introduce our school.
Iskandar Science School is located in Mersing, Johor, and our school is the only SBP in Mersing. In our presentation, we will focus on two major issues. So now let's get into it.
Mahjong papers are one of the problems in our school. See, there's a lot of mahjong papers used in presentation.
It is because our teachers always ask us to do presentation in front of everyone in the class. So, this is one of the factors on why there's a lot of scattered papers on the ground.
Thank you, class. Other than that, unorganized books, test pads and files are one of our main problems here.
Introducing our new invention, Stuventel, which means student invention style. These inventions are very multifunction.
For our invention, these are the items needed. Next, our estimate total are 39 ringgit 25 cents. This is the front view sketch of our invention. There's 3 compartments for books, a drawer to store mahjong paper, and slots to store files and test pad. This is also how it looks like from the front, but the mahjong paper slot is open. You can just put the mahjong paper inside the hole. We hope our invention would solve school problems and help students study in conducive environment.
We would like to finish our presentation with the words of Thomas Edison.
An invention not only has to work fairly well,
But it has to be something that the market wants and can afford to buy.
see you there. Bye!